Welcome to Foundations of Web Design. My name is Zach and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm excited to start building cool new websites with you, but before we can do that, we will need some tools. We will need to download these tools onto our computer in a moment. However, I thought it best to begin with an overview of the purpose of each of the tools we will be using. And there are three tools we will be using in particular. The first is called Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a text editor. The easiest way to think of it is kind of like Microsoft Word, but instead of writing files that contain natural language like English, we will be writing files that contain code. The second tool we will be downloading is called Node.js. Node.js is a powerful library that allows us to do some pretty cool stuff with our website. However, we won't even really skim the surface of it in this course. The only reason we're downloading Node.js is so we can use a tool it contains called NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager. NPM automates the process of downloading open source libraries from the internet. In this course, the only open source library we will be downloading with NPM is called Simple Angular Server. We won't cover it here, but we will cover it a little bit later in this setup lesson. Finally, we will be downloading something called Git. Git is the most popular version control software. Version control is outside of the scope of this course, but the reason we're downloading Git is because it comes with a nice shell terminal that allows Windows users to run Linux commands. Linux is just another type of operating system. Android, iOS, Windows, OS, and some others, they're all examples of operating systems. Linux is just one more kind that happens to be a really nice operating system with really nice command line commands for software development. However, the only students that will need to download this software are Windows users. Mac users don't need it because OS commands are actually identical to Linux commands. Instead, Mac users will simply need to open the terminal from their list of applications.